Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download ExpressVPN on a Mac. Full guide. Guys will cover downloading, installing, and setting up ExpressVPN for secure browsing or streaming, plus why NordVPN's a better choice. Link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Let's dive in. Open your browser, Safari, Chrome, or Firefox on your Mac. To get ExpressVPN, click the link from description to download it. This takes you straight to expressvpn.com's official download page. Once the page loads, find the Download for Mac button, usually green, and click it to download the ExpressVPN installer as a DMG file. If your browser warns about an unverified file, select Allow or Download Anyway to continue. The file should land in your Downloads folder in seconds, depending on your internet speed. Double-click the DMG file to open it, then drag the ExpressVPN icon to the Applications folder to install. Launch ExpressVPN from Applications. If you don't have an account, visit expressvpn.com, sign up, pick a plan, monthly or yearly, and enter your email and a strong password. Check your inbox for a confirmation email and click the link to activate. In the app, click Sign In, enter your credentials, and hit Continue. Follow prompts to allow ExpressVPN to add VPN configurations. Click Allow and enter your Mac's password if prompted. You might choose to share anonymous analytics. Pick what you prefer. Once set up, you'll see a power button. Click it to connect to ExpressVPN's smart location, like a US or UK server, for fast, secure browsing. To unblock content, click the location bar and choose a server, like USA Los Angeles for Netflix or UK London for BBC iPlayer. Unique tip. In Settings Privacy, enable block trackers to stop ads, speeding up your browsing. If the app won't connect, switch servers, restart your Mac, or visit expressvpn.com/support for live chat help. ExpressVPN's solid with 3,000 plus servers in 105 countries. Great for streaming, but NordVPN outperforms it. NordVPN has 8,000 plus servers in 126 countries, often at half the cost. Plans start at $3 a month versus ExpressVPN's $8 plus. Its NordLynx protocol delivers faster 4K streaming and gaming, while CyberSec blocks ads and malware. NordVPN supports 10 devices versus ExpressVPN's 8, with an audited no-logs policy for top privacy. Link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.